What does HACCP stand for? A. Hazard Analysis Critical Control Points. B. Hazard Assessment and Clean Control Plan. C. Hazard Analysis Clean Control Plan. D. Health Analysis Control Certification Points. Answer A. Hazard Analysis Critical Control Points. Which of the following is a biological hazard in food safety? A. Bacteria. B. Pesticides. C. Metal shavings. D. Cleaning chemicals. Answer A. Bacteria. The first step in developing a HACCP plan is A. Identify critical control points. B. Conduct a hazard analysis. C. Determine corrective actions. D. Establish a monitoring procedure. Answer B. Conduct a hazard analysis. Which of the following is an example of a critical control point, CCP? A. Employee hand washing. B. Proper labeling of products. C. Correct cooking temperature for meat. D. Cleaning equipment. Answer C. Correct cooking temperature for meat. What is the purpose of establishing critical limits in a HACCP plan? A. To prevent hazards from occurring. B. To monitor CCPs effectively. C. To specify acceptable levels at each CCP. D. To ensure compliance with food safety laws. Answer C. To specify acceptable levels at each CCP. Which principle of HACCP involves determining which steps in the process can prevent, eliminate, or reduce hazards? A. Principle 2. Identify critical control points. B. Principle 4. Establish monitoring procedures. C. Principle 1. Conduct hazard analysis. D. Principle 5. Establish corrective actions. Answer A. Principle 2. Identify critical control points. A physical hazard in food production includes A. Salmonella bacteria. B. Excessive salt. C. Glass fragments. D. Pesticide residues. Answer C. Glass fragments. Which of the following is considered a chemical hazard in food? A. Hair in food. B. Salmonella bacteria. C. Cleaning agents. D. Plastic packaging. Answer C. Cleaning agents. Monitoring critical control points, CCPs, is important because A. It helps identify hazards. B. It ensures that critical limits are met. C. It prevents contamination from occurring. D. It records the history of production. Answer B. It ensures that critical limits are met. Which of the following is the best example of a corrective action? A. Recording the temperature of food. B. Storing food in a refrigerator. C. Discarding food that did not reach the required temperature. D. Cleaning the kitchen every day. Answer C. Discarding food that did not reach the required temperature. How often should HACCP records be reviewed? A. Weekly. B. Annually. C. Daily or as needed. D. Only during inspections. Answer C. Daily or as needed. The verification process in HACCP involves A. Checking if the monitoring system works. B. Collecting samples for analysis. C. Keeping records of critical control points. D. Inspecting physical equipment. Answer A. Checking if the monitoring system works. What should be done if a critical limit is exceeded? A. Stop the process and discard the product. B. Lower the temperature. C. Write a report for future reference. D. Continue with normal operations. Answer A. Stop the process and discard the product. Who is responsible for implementing and maintaining a HACCP plan in a food business? A. Government inspectors. B. The food safety manager and the team. C. The employees. D. The food suppliers. Answer B. The food safety manager and the team. What is the purpose of a prerequisite program in a HACCP system? A. To manage food safety at every step. B. To establish preventive measures before starting HACCP. C. To replace HACCP in certain situations. D. To reduce the number of CCPs. Answer B. To establish preventive measures before starting HACCP. Which of the following is not a step in the HACCP process? A. Establish corrective actions. B. Conduct a hazard analysis. C. Determine how to maximize profits. D. Verify the HACCP system. Answer C. Determine how to maximize profits. Which of the following would be part of verification in the HACCP plan? A. Adjusting temperature settings. B. Reviewing the HACCP plan annually. C. Recording temperatures at CCPs. D. Cleaning food contact surfaces. Answer B. Reviewing the HACCP plan annually. Food defense focuses on A. Preventing intentional contamination. B. Reducing waste. C. Improving the taste of food. D. Enhancing nutritional value. Answer A. Preventing intentional contamination. In which step of HACCP do you identify potential hazards that could affect food safety? A. Monitoring. B. Conducting a hazard analysis. C. Verifying. D. Reviewing records. Answer B. Conducting a hazard analysis. Which of the following is a benefit of implementing a HACCP plan? A. It increases the cost of production. B. It reduces the risk of foodborne illnesses. C. It eliminates the need for food inspections. D. It allows flexibility in hygiene practices. Answer B. It reduces the risk of foodborne illnesses. What is the role of a critical control point, CCP? A. To eliminate hazards. B. To monitor cooking times. C. To ensure that critical limits are not exceeded. D. To supervise cleaning. Answer C. To ensure that critical limits are not exceeded. The HACCP system focuses on controlling hazards at A. Every stage of food production. B. Only during food storage. C. Only at the point of sale. D. Only in transportation. Answer A. Every stage of food production. Which of the following is not a type of hazard considered in HACCP? A. Chemical. B. Biological. C. Physical. D. Mechanical. Answer D. Mechanical. Who should be trained in the HACCP plan? A. Only managers. B. Only employees directly involved with food. C. All employees involved in food handling. D. Cleaning staff only. Answer C. All employees involved in food handling. When should a HACCP plan be reviewed or updated? A. Only when requested by an inspector. B. Annually or after significant changes in processes. C. Every 5 years. D. When new products are introduced. Answer B. Annually or after significant changes in processes. Which of the following is an example of a prerequisite program? A. Monitoring CCPs. B. Implementing sanitation procedures. C. Recording temperatures. D. Setting critical limits. Answer B. Implementing sanitation procedures. What is a key characteristic of a food safety hazard? A. It only affects the taste of the food. B. It could cause illness or injury if not controlled. C. It occurs naturally in food and is unavoidable. D. It is easily seen with the naked eye. Answer B. It could cause illness or injury if not controlled. Which document is essential for verifying that a HACCP plan is being followed? A. Training records. B. Payroll records. C. Employee shift schedules. D. CCP monitoring logs. Answer D. CCP monitoring logs. What is the final principle of HACCP? A. Conduct a hazard analysis. B. Verify the system. C. Establish corrective actions. D. Keep records. Answer B. Verify the system. What should be done if monitoring indicates a CCP is not within critical limits? A. Continue as usual. B. Adjust the process and take corrective action. C. Shut down the entire facility. D. Report the issue at the end of the shift. Answer B. Adjust the process and take corrective action.